Hey, coming back with another video to show you what we've been up to for the past few days. Most notably working on multiple allocations. So what does that mean? As you know, in routine, you can take any task, let's say this task, and you can drag it and drop it into calendar to block time, or in routine, we use allocate time for the task in question. Now you can do that also in the calendar. It works the same way. So I could take, I don't know, a task, let's say planned this one. And let's say this one, I could also drag and drop in my calendar to block some time. All good. But something that has come back from the users is the ability to block time multiple times. And so that's what we've been adding. Most notably through the use of the drag and drop by pressing the Alt or Option key. So let me show you. Let's say I've got this task, I want to drag it and block some time at 3:30. So far so good, that was already possible. But now what you can do is you can drag it and move it to another time. Again, it was already possible. Now you can do the same while holding the Option or Option or Alt key, and you can see that a small indicator, plus indicator arise, letting you know that by dropping here this way, you're going to duplicate basically the allocation. You can see now you have two allocations for that task. The same is true in the calendar. So you can see the allocations here, which is notable with the checkbox, which indicates that this is not a regular event, it's an event for the task. Actually, when you select an event, you have all of the ability to manipulate events, but when you do this for an allocation, that is just showing you the task, which you can open, or you could open it by double-clicking. Now, as I've mentioned, the duplication of allocations also works in the calendar screen. So I could do the same thing, which is holding the Alt button or Option button. You can see the small plus, and I could say, okay, I'm going to drop it here. And I've got three allocations, which obviously I can resize if I want to, and so on. Now, something else that we've changed is when you open the task itself. Now, underneath, you have kind of a property with the list of all the times you've blocked, the past ones and the future ones. So in this case, it's only the past ones, but if I were to move that one in the past, now you could see that I've got one in the past, two in the future. Now this is going to be very, very powerful, in particular combined with the menu bar that allows to actually launch timers, which is basically creating an allocation of time automatically when you stop the timer, but also with the views, because you will be able soon to create a view that aggregates data on those, for instance. So you could say, okay, I want to calculate how much time I've spent on that task by summing all the durations of all the allocations, for instance. That's going to be possible. That's it. Thanks.